Hi everyone. What all to see in a child's toothpaste? Isn't this one of the most common questions in minds of most of the parents? And the point that takes the first seat in this is that it should be pleasant in taste. All those commercially available toothpaste which are made specifically for children keep this factor in their mind that it should be pleasant in taste, and that is why they have an array of different flavors like orange flavor, strawberry flavor. So what happens is it motivates the child, it attracts the child to brush their teeth, and eventually they'll be happily incorporating this daily activity in their daily lifestyle very happily and very willingly. Now, another thing is that the toothpaste should be non fluoridated. Yes, by non fluoridated, I mean that the toothpaste should have this labeled that the toothpaste is fluoride free. As you can see in the picture, all these toothpaste that I have displayed, it's not any kind of advertisement, but these are the different varieties of toothpaste that are available in market specifically designed for children, and you have this mentioned on the tube that it is fluoride free. Specifically in children who are less than 2 to 3 years of age, a non fluoridated toothpaste is required and is prescribed if at all you're supposed to be using a toothpaste. I'll tell this in detail with my upcoming slides. Now, before telling you that why a non fluoridated toothpaste is to be used in children, we need to understand that what is the reason for fluoride to be the talk of the town. Now, the thing with fluoride is that fluoride prevents caries by strengthening enamel. Enamel is the topmost layer of the tooth that you see. Fluoride strengthens its structure and fights the bacteria. It makes it difficult for the bacteria to disintegrate the topmost layer, to decay the topmost layer. And that is why it holds such an important place in being a preventive factor for caries. Now, coming to our old question that why? Why is a non fluoridated toothpaste prescribed for children? The reason is that they don't require it. The amount of fluoride that a child is receiving through his or her food and drink, that means water, the amount of fluoride that is present in the food and water that the child is taking is just enough for meeting his or her fluoride requirement. So the first point is they don't require it. They already are getting enough amount of it. Second is if you end up giving them excess of fluoride in the form of fluoridated toothpaste, it can even cause dental fluorosis. Dental fluorosis can be seen as yellowing, pitting, irregular surface of the teeth. So you definitely don't want that, right? And the third is it can even cause fluoride toxicity because the amount of fluoride that is usually there in a fluoridated toothpaste is almost 1000 ppm, that is 1000 parts per million, or even more than that. And we know that children tend to eat their toothpaste. So, with such small body size and so much of fluoride ingestion, it can lead towards fluoride toxicity. It's very, very, very rare to be seen, and it's an altogether different topic itself to be discussed here. But to prevent it, it's always better to not to use a fluoridated toothpaste because at the first place it's just not required. Now, another thing which is very important but very sadly is not understood by many of the parents is that when you're supposed to start using a toothpaste, see, a child as young as a 2 year old really does not require a toothpaste while brushing. All a toddler or a 2 to 3 year old requires is that one should practice brushing without using a toothpaste. So you can start using a toothpaste while brushing your child's teeth by as late as 2 to 3 years of age. And the reason of being said so is that children tend to use a large amount of toothpaste. When you compare it to their body size, they end up using a larger amount of toothpaste, if of course you leave them to brush on their own. So that is why it is always prescribed to have your children brush their teeth in your surveillance. The second reason is that they tend to brush for a longer period of time. So the chances of eating up the toothpaste, which is the complaint of most of the parents, is more. And third is they have this capability of expectorating and rinsing very less. They are not that dexter enough, they are not that skilled enough by now to rinse and expectorate. It's only after 3 years that a child starts mastering the skill of rinsing and being able to expectorate. So all these three reasons are the reason why a child should preferably not use a toothpaste by at least 2 years of age. Then how much of the toothpaste is required is also very important. See, first of all, if you can avoid using a toothpaste while brushing. But if at all you are using a toothpaste while brushing in a child of up to 2 to 3 years of age, try using just a smear layer of toothpaste as shown in the picture. Once a child is 3 and above, you can start using a pea size amount, or I would prescribe to use a rice size amount. That means the rice grain, single rice grain size that you see, that much amount of toothpaste is to be used even in a child of 3 to 6 years of age. By 6 years of age, all his motor skills, all his or her motor skills have developed, and you can use a regular amount of toothpaste. But still, the amount of toothpaste that is shown in the picture, that should be avoided. Try using a regular amount of it, but obviously not this much as shown in the picture. You can take almost half of what is shown. And then I often am asked this question that, ma'am, how long to brush? So, as reported by studies, the optimum brushing time, which will help in having a clean and a plaque free tooth surface, is 1 minute. Just 1 minute is sufficient for making your child's teeth clean. And this is, by the way, not just with your children's teeth, this is also with regards to an adult brushing time. So, an optimum brushing time is just 1 minute. So, that's it. Thank you. I hope it was helpful in giving you some basic information with regards to your child's oral care.